how IUL can become cheaper as you get older. When you understand indexed universal life, you're taking the least amount of insurance that you can get away with under IRS guidelines and putting in the most money the IRS allows because you're using it for living, maybe retirement benefits. So if you were a male age 60 and you wanted to reposition $500,000 into an IUL, the minimum death benefit is $1 million. You can buy way more than that, but you don't need that. But the $500,000 that you put in there becomes part of the million. If this grows as fast as mine has, a 9.6% return in 7.5 years, that's going to grow to equal $1 million. Now your cash equals the death benefit. The insurance is costing you nothing. If you want to see how to make your insurance become cheaper, reach out to me and I'll have an IUL specialist get back to you.